Hi students, it's Mrs. Komiak and we are back in the kitchen doing kitchen science. You should have all your materials, which means that you have your 6 glasses, 3 for hot and 3 for cold. You have sugar, you have something to level off the sugar with a flat edge. You have your quarter of a teaspoon measuring, and I always like to have this kind of extra cup to dispose of the water and a liquid measuring cup. Obviously, you also need your notebook, and we're ready to go. I've actually started and I did 2 trials already. I got for cold water, I got 63, and then for hot water, I got 25 until it was dissolved. And all right, let's continue on. So now I'm going to do another cold water. I put it in the refrigerator. Get that. It's in the refrigerator, cooling. It's pre-measured. So now I'm going to measure out the sugar. Okay, measure out the sugar, level it off, put that in here, and start to stir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can see it's still cloudy and there's still solids. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. It's almost dissolved. 5, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. All right, I got 54. Now, as I'm thinking about this, thinking to myself, I might have added a variable. So because I left some in the refrigerator and just took them out of one at a time, there's going to be a difference in the temperature. The ones that are in the refrigerator will probably be cooler. So I'm actually going to take the other one out. So I'm not adding a variable. All right, let me do a hot. I can just continue with the cold. That's fine, actually. So again, I have my cold water, 1 cup cold water. I'm going to measure out of overfill the sugar, level it off for 1/4 of a teaspoon, and stir it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3. All right, 65. Now, we told you guys to use the same stirring technique. And what that means is that when you're stirring, right, you can't stir one really fast. You want to be consistent. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can't go like this is 1. You want to just be consistent, the way you do something consistently. So 1, trying to do 1 time around. 2. Okay, great. So now I have to calculate the average going across. So these are my values for the cold. I would add them up, 63 plus 54 plus 65. I would add those numbers up and divide by 3 to get my average. So if I do that quick mental math, 63, 54, 65. 3 plus 4 is 8. Plus 5 is 13. Write down the 3, carry the 1. 7 plus 5 is 12. Plus 6 is 18. I'm not doing mental math in front of you guys. Okay, I got this. 1, 183, so that's 61. So when your average, right, you might get a number. That's when I added them all up and divided by 3 because there were 1, 2, 3 sets of numbers. You'll see that I never once got 61 stirs. That's okay. Never once got 61 stirs, right? That's my average stir. All right. The next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the 2 remaining hot waters. So fill this up with hot water. I'm going to move these out of the way. The colds, they're done. They can go. And now I'm going to do the hot water. Again, letting the water run a little bit. Bring it up to temperature. Fill it approximately. Bring it to the level surface. Get down, eye level. Whoa, super overfilled that. Like 1.5. You can see, even though it looked like it was accurate, if I'm not at eye level, oops, I underfilled that. Add just a little bit more. Okay, bottom of the meniscus is right at 1 cup. So I'm good to go. Pour that in. Okay, add in my 1/4 teaspoon. Level it off. Oh, you didn't see me, but I did level it off. Put that in here. I'm going to go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, 25. Wow, that's actually the exact same. All right, so I got 25 the second time I did it. And something that you'll notice, right, we're making some numbers observations in our graph. We're making some number observations, and those are called quantitative observations, but we're also going to be looking, I'm noticing as I'm doing this, wow, I'm noticing the steam on the glass, right, this condensation, right? I'm noticing that just as soon as I put the sugar in, it looked different in hot water than in cold water. I'm also noticing these glasses that were cold, they're getting some condensation. You can write AMS on the outside. Okay, that's interesting. So those are some observations that you might be asked to write down in the future, qualitative observations. And the last one, okay, let it water run for a little bit. Oops, still overfilled. I was looking down, so I have to empty it out. Okay, there we go. At eye level. Put that in. Measure it out, my sugar. Overfill, level off. Okay. $24. Yep, 24. Okay. So now I will add up. I have to calculate the average. And there's a video we'll attach to this as well, the video of the video. So you're going to add up these 3 numbers, right, and divide by 3. So 25 plus 25, that's easy enough to math, that's 50. Plus another 24, so that's 74. 74 divided by 3. 3 goes in 7. 14. 3 goes into 14. 4 times. 3 is 12. Okay, 3 into 20 is 6. So 24.6 plus some change. So there you go. So that's what you're going to do, and you're going to use this data to write your conclusion. All right. Sorry, this video is a little long. Have a good day. Keep up the good work.